Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to separate first name to last name in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video, I will show that separate first name to last name in Google Sheets. Firstly, now click for the first name is the bar row. Now keyboard press on the equal. Then type from the split. Then press from the first bracket. Then select from the full name. Then comma press. Then space. Then comma double quotation. Then space. Then double quotation. Then again first bracket close. Then keyboard press from the enter. That's it. Then mark from the all data. That's it. Then show the separate first name to last name in Google Sheet document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.